Hello everyone, welcome to this channel again, and today we are going to create this beautiful festive platter, and today we will be making it completely professional and commercially sellable product. So let's get started. The first I'll be taking this platter. This has a very beautiful 10 inch by 7 inches approx size, and it has a multiple use. So let's unbox this one. It's in three different parts, so you can paint them very comfortably and nicely. So for this one, first of all, only and only we advise a chalk paint, because that gives you a matte, smooth and perfect professional finishing, and chalk paint are meant for a furniture or a wood, so that's why this goes very well on it. So with a flat synthetic hairbrush, you can start painting the base. In the center, this one piece, I will be using my white color chalk paint. Just give a thin nice coat even on the sides and edges, because these are the small finishing which matters. After thin layer, if you required another, you can give one more coat. Here is my centerpiece is ready and will allow it to dry. Now on my centerpiece, I'm going to use this floral insta transfer sheets. So this floral has more on green and blue shades. So accordingly, we'll pick up the base color of the sides. So to go with the neutral shade, I am going with the grey color. Here on the second piece, we will be doing a grey color chalk paint. Again, we'll give a very thin layer, but when you work with iCraft chalk paint, you only need a one coat is more than sufficient. And I'm using my wet brush directly with the paint, not adding any water to my paints. Again, we'll repeat. Covering the sides will give you a neat finishing look, so don't forget that. So now this is how I painted this first piece. We did with the white color chalk paint, absolutely matte and perfect finish. This we did with the grey color chalk paint, even the sides and edges, everything we painted. Again a matte and very smooth finish. And here is the final top piece, which we painted with a dark green color as per the combination of a flower. Now we will be taking the glue and we will stick them on each other. So before the glue, I will take this Insta transfer and transfer on the white color surface. So let me tell you something about the Insta transfer. This is a very beautiful floral print, but it gets transferred only on a white surface base very beautifully. On a darker color, you won't be able to see in the print clearly. So always prefer having a white or a lighter base where you want to do your transfers, especially with the colored ones. So you can cut them nearest, as near as you can. And we will take two flowers somewhat similar. So after this one, I will just transfer this one on this area and other one on the opposite side. Again, we'll remove the plastic film from the top. Do not forget to remove this plastic film. And this one we will just do it on the opposite side. You can also overlap this. Apply a wet brush or just a plain water on top. Allow it to settle for 1 or 2 minutes. And now it's time to peel. And look at this beautiful flower, and especially where this got merged. Here you go. Now around the edges, take just a plain white color on your brush and just brush up like this and merge the print into the background. I'm just taking the same shade which we have taken for the base color. Just on the joints I'm giving this one. After merging, this gives you very nice and natural floral look on the base. Now time to glue this one step by step. So after drying this, we will take the glue here and just on the edges we will put the glue. You can use any normal paper glue. And this we will stick it on top. And this top ring also we will put the glue. Here this front end of my platter is ready. After this step, now to make it a more professional and sellable, we will be painting our backside. For the backside, I will choose the grey color because it is a very nice and background settle color. Now at the backside, I will use the grey color which we have already used on the base. And here also you need to make sure you paint it with the finishing. You can also take the black gesso or a white gesso to make it a little cost effective. But I'm using chalk paint only because it's hardly required. Sides we have already painted, so just the top just the back we are painting now. So here is this back and this is the front, and now let's decorate this one. After painting on the back side, now we will just varnish this one for more commercial, durable and sellable product. So adding this matte varnish will make it long lasting and it will protect from the fungus and will be washable, not washable exactly, but will be definitely wipeable with the wet cloth. So you need to give a one generous coat of a white matte varnish. You can also use a glossy varnish depending on the look how you're looking for. Take your smooth brush and chalk pen never needs varnish, but just on the print specially we need. So we are doing only on the front area. And cover the sides also along with this. Allow it to dry for some good time, and after drying it will be beautiful crystal clear matte finish. As I've taken a little excess, so I'm gonna paint my backside also. So this is a perfect sealer. For wooden surface. After this dries and 1 hour or two, we will start doing decoration on top to make it an absolutely beautiful festival vibe. So now to decorate, I am going to use this acrylic mirror, and again I have chosen the green color to suit these flowers very beautifully. So let's get started. So this pack comes with a very beautiful perforation packaging which you can just open nicely, use it and close it, and this blister one very helps you to store it very beautifully, and you don't need additional any containers for that. This acrylic mirror comes with the transparent protected film on the top that you can remove from the top side. This film helps this mirror to stay scratchless. So while applying, you can remove them first. So after removing, this gives you a very beautiful mirror glass effect. Ignore my hands paint. So every mirror has this protected film on the top, and that you can remove, and after removing it gives you very beautiful crystal effect. After applying this mirror on all the sides of this platter, this is giving very beautiful look. Now let's add some more beauty by adding these white dot lines. These are small things, gives you very beautiful and additional look. After this beautiful platter, do let me know in comment how would you like to use this one. Either you can use it for your candles, for your chocolate bowls, for your dry fruit bowls, or some decor platter on your dining area. So here is another combination what we have designed using the same platter. It's absolutely Indian stunning look with the golden mirror on top. Here this one is with the absolutely English look with the grey, purple and some wine flowers. Here this one we have created with the raisin in the between, and it is again a very beautiful elegant platter. These are some other designs with different combinations. So do let me know in comments which one you love the most, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos.